How to upload a file or PDF on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can upload a file or a PDF in Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you tap on what's in your mind at the top of this page and here, if you search for an option as file or PDF, but Facebook does not allow you to upload files like PDF directly into your timeline or profile. But there is a smart workaround that you can follow. So for that, you have to close Facebook, open up Google Drive in your device. After that, tap on this plus button at the bottom right corner, tap on upload. Now from your device, you have to select the PDF or the file that you want to add on your Facebook. Then tap on upload at the top right. Now wait for a while until the file is uploaded. So once your PDF file or your file is uploaded, you have to click on three dot here and here tap on copy link. Now once you have copied the link to your drive for the folder, now you can open up Facebook in your device and under this timeline or what's on your mind section, you have to paste it right here. And here you could also leave a small message saying that you could download folder from here or whatever that you want. Once you're done with that, tap on the next at the top right corner and now you can post it after adjusting all of the settings here. And once you post your link on your timeline, now your followers or friends can click the link and view or download your file. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.